Okay guys, now what I've done, this is my quilting lines that I've done, and I removed the blue marks on it. Now I've taken my liner and my zipper and I've sandwiched everything together. I've got the, of course the liner is the same on both sides, so that part doesn't matter, but if it had a print, you'd want to put the print facing outward, not on this side. And I've got the zipper right on the edge here, and then my front is face down on top of the liner, and I'm going to stitch right along here, right along the zip line, and that will give our first panel attachment here. Let me see if I can get you in line. You can see what I'm doing. Let me change out my, well, let's see. I'll just do it real quick. I have a zipper foot that I'll put on. Keep it in my little box here. So let's get that off. And I'm actually using my, leather machine here for these little dot bags. It's sewing them beautifully. I do have a Singer. I've got 3 or 4 different machines. Okay, so now here's my zipper foot. Just one little walking foot is all it is. And we'll get that put on. But yeah, and there's going to be layers to this fabric, and even if you decide to make one, if you choose to do it like a marine grade vinyl for the inside, which would be nice for guys, because you could just wipe the inside clean if something were to spill. So that's that. Let's put this away, and we will stitch that zip line. Okay, draw my thread out, and I'm going to put it on this side of my walking foot so that I'm up close to the zipper. Okay, not touching the zipper, but close enough that everything is lined up. Okay, here we go. And I do a back stitch just to hold this, even though there will be a seam going over that eventually. And be careful with the pins. I usually just walk right over it. So that pin. This you kind of want to take a little care of sewing. You don't want to go as fast as you would on your quilting lines, because you've got that zipper edge there and you don't want to get too close. Plus you want this line to be fairly straight. Okay, so that is that. Draw this out. Take the pins out, and I'll show you what we ended up with. I don't have my zipper pull on yet. I will do that once I have both sides together. Now this is my front panel. This is the top of the zipper. So when the other side is on, we're going to have it look like this. We'll have a hidden seam on the top. I'll do a top stitch along here. So yeah, that is the process of getting that attached to the zipper. So on to the next video.